What's good, y'all? Back with another video, and I'm headed home now. Just getting out the gym. So yeah, we're gonna get some work done today. But one thing we're gonna start with is this steering wheel. So I've been driving about 3 to 4 minutes, and look at my hands. My hands got all kind of black stuff on it from this darn steering wheel. This Alcantara, whatever it is. Every time you drive, your hands turn black. So I do have an extra steering wheel at the house. I'm going to eventually change that sometime today, along with the hub, because as you remember, the hub that I have on here is kind of like too small. So every time I turn the steering wheel, I either sometimes hit the windshield wipers or some crazy stuff like that. So I'm going to be doing that today, and of course we're going to jump into the garage, try to straighten that up some. The floor should be in within the next couple of days. I didn't order all the floors. I just want to piece some stuff together and see how much I need to order, because I didn't do the complete measurements and everything. I'm just going to go case by case. They come in like a case of 50. So we're going to lay those down, see how much that takes us as far as the colors, because I got 2 different colors that I'm going to go with. So, but yeah, we're getting some progress done. Got to make some content for y'all, keep everything going. And yeah, that's the plan. I think the tire came in for the silica too, so we're going to take that tire off the car and take that to a shop to get that tire put on. So that's the plans for today. Y'all stay tuned, watch the whole video, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into this video. Making it back to the house, better look at the steering wheel, what I was talking about. Like, this stuff gets all over your hand. But I did see the tire sitting on my front porch, so we're gonna get that, take that to the garage. What's good with y'all? Brand new day, just getting back home. I had run some errands, but we're gonna get some stuff done today for sure. Yesterday was crazy. I had a little power issue with my house yesterday, so power company came out, got that situated. So we don't have to worry about that issue no more, because I was catching hell when it came to the power in my garage. It would make the lights in my house flicker, but the neutral going to my little box was burnt up, so they had to come out and fix that. But enough with that. We're gonna jump into today and take care of everything we were supposed to take care of yesterday. So a little setback, but we still gonna get it done. All right, we're gonna throw this bad boy in the car, and then we just have to take the rim off the silica and go ahead and get that put on. Hopefully. Okay, so now let's pray that the rim is not freaking cracked. Because if the rim crack, we're gonna be in some trouble. And while we're doing this, let's go ahead and charge the battery up, because you know this car got a habit of dying. I just need to go ahead and get a new freaking battery for it. So we're gonna charge this up. And just like that, we got the tire off the car. This shit is crazy. But the good thing about it, the rim doesn't appear to be bent. And this little stuff right here is just the rubber from the tire. So we'll be able to get that off. We just gotta clean this up really good. But the rim doesn't look bent at all, so that's good. And I drove on this for about, I say about 4 or 5 miles. Well, I was going really slow, but still, you don't wanna do that. And that needs to be clean. But like I said, let's charge this battery up and get this tire put on the rim. All right, let's go take care of this. This year starting out crazy. And y'all know I don't talk about my personal life or nothing like that. I didn't even do that when I started the second channel. I would just like put y'all in situations and just explain how I would handle the situation. I never went fully into details about if I had something going on or whatever the case may be, but I just did away with that channel altogether because I'm not that type of person. Even though, in a sense, it was like a stress reliever to vent and be able to talk to y'all, that's just not who I am. But this year, it's crazy. What is this? Day 6, day 7. But every day, you live, you learn. I'll pick back up with y'all when we get to this tire shop though. So we stopped at this store right here. This is not the actually Campbell shop that I was planning on going to, but we get to it for sure. So yeah, she told me $30 for amount and balance, which isn't bad at all. And it saved me some time because Campbell's is another probably 15 minutes away, maybe 10 minutes away from where we are right now. This is like right up the road where the blowout happened, so it's not bad at all. $30 ain't nothing. But hopefully they can do it because the tire is pretty bad, but we're gonna see. I was just gonna cut it off. Just take the thing, just cut it off. Yeah. I should have done that.
I might have to. I'm gonna see if I can pop it out there first.
All right. And $40 later, we got our tire back on. Now we can start cleaning up this car a little bit, getting it outside, giving it a wash. Man. I'll be back with y'all after I load this on. Well, about an hour later, I got some help in the shop. Fucked up my finger. So we was gonna rotate the tires. I was gonna move the back tires to the front. So I got a new tire on the back. And in that process, we realized that one of the studs were stripped. So we're trying to change that now. This right here, in the process of changing this, that happened. Taking that hammer, trying to knock that stud through. I don't know why I put my finger right here, but yeah, that's how that happened. So he's about to try to get this on there for me. And then we just gonna rotate the tires and I'm gonna wash it. And I don't know, if he's down, I guess we could probably work on these wheels. Like I told y'all, I really don't wanna say what I'm gonna do, but yeah. And we was also talking about putting these wheels on this car just to see what it looked like. Which that would be kind of dope. We probably do it when we rotate these tires on the other side. Just to get a look at what they look like. Bro, for real, if I do, but this is a different lug pattern than the other car. So then I would still need wheels for the other car. But if I like them on here, I might keep them on there. What's good with y'all? It's a new day, clearly, just getting off work. I guess I picked the worst day to bring something new to the channel, huh? As y'all see, we're not driving in one-eye normal cars. But once I get to the house, I'm gonna do a little review on it, clean out the inside a little bit, need a little detailing. But yeah, taking this out today. Anybody can guess what it is by the interior? Of course it's a Mercedes, but what model Mercedes is it? Anybody know? All right, back home. So before we jump into this car, I wanna give y'all a little update on the garage. As you see, we started putting up the wood to make a little rack for these little shelves and crap I got. Here's the other one. So one's gonna go over there, the other one's gonna go here. Just trying to rearrange stuff, figure out where I wanna put everything at before the floors get here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And now we can jump out to this car, but as y'all can hear, it's freaking raining outside, so. Only good thing about this car, it is all-wheel drive. But here she is. So here we have a E400. It's a 2017 all-wheel drive. And I only had it in the Eco so far, so I didn't even try to test it out or anything. Besides, it's raining. First time driving the car, so I'm not gonna do too much to it, but yeah. But I'm actually going to go in the house because I gotta get ready. I got somewhere to be. But this is the car that we're gonna be driving tonight. Give y'all a little review on this 2017 E400. All right, we on the road now. I don't know. I've been driving in cars with straight pipes and exhaust for so long that this car is just like so quiet to me. This, other than what I'm used to, it's a nice car. It runs smooth. I mean, it has a little bit of power. I mean, like I said, I haven't changed modes on the car. It's still like an Eco, and I'm sure you're able to do a lot of stuff to this car, tune, downpipes, all that good stuff to give it a little bit more power. For all-wheel drive, you already know what to expect. Mercedes, decent engine. But yeah, once I stop, I'm gonna show y'all the interior because I did clean it out some, so it looks a lot better. What's up, my people? It's now a new day. Just picking back up with this car on the interior. As you see, just a normal radio. This right here reminds me of the Chryslers, but I know Chryslers and Mercedes both did that. If anybody knows the 300s and all of that, they used to have the little clock in the middle, but that's what that reminds me of. We got the panoramic sunroof, moonroof, whatever you want to call them, the leather interior. It's pretty clean on the inside too. It's a nice little car. As soon as I get off, because I'm actually at work right now, as soon as I get off, I'm gonna take it out of Eco, play with the settings, and on a ride back to return the car, we going to see how she runs off of Eco. But it's just so quiet. Like, yeah, I don't know. But I do like the car a lot. It's just, I don't know. It's just not for me. Now, maybe a weekend cruiser or something like that, it'd be dope. But just for me, just to drive it to like meets and car shows, I wouldn't do too much to this car, to be honest, but just drive it. But it's really nice. About to touch her out now. Take her out of Eco. See what she's talking about. So I've been driving for about 4 or 5 miles. And I don't have the car Eco. I try to put it on sport and change the modes on it, but as far as the powers, feels somewhat the same. Eco mode is more controlled, like the traction controls on and stuff. So my final review on this car was, it's a great car. It's an amazing car. I definitely recommend it. But for any other use outside of this weekend cruiser and enjoying the car, I wouldn't waste my money. But just the all-around car is a good car. I'm gonna throw its specs up on the screen right now. I didn't even pop the hood when I got the car because of the rain and the weather and stuff. But here's an image under the hood that gives you an idea of what it looks like. The only thing that got me with that car is I know it's all-wheel drive, so the acceleration on it was kind of delayed at times. I was trying to figure out the traction control and all that stuff on the way back to the house that night, but I really couldn't figure it out. Top end is really fast. It's quick. It makes around the same amount of power as the Charger I had, but the Charger was a lot more torqueier, so as soon as you hit it, it'll go. Just with this E400, it was just a little different, but it was a great car, so I definitely recommend it. With that being said, that's gonna do it for this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm out.